Hi, in this video I'll show you how to upload a video to Google Drive. Uploading videos to Google Drive is a great way to store, access and share your files from anywhere with an internet connection. Let's get started. First open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you are logged in. Next click on the new button with the plus sign and the icon top of left corner icon and click on file upload. Now choose the video file you want to upload from your computer. Select it. So I select a video from my desktop. So there are no videos. So select on this other page and I select this video drive.mp4 and select this and click on open, and the video is uploading and the time is taken according to your video file size and net speed. So I wait here and the video is finishing and the video is uploaded. Then refresh the Google Drive home page and you can see the video is uploaded here drive.mp4. So this is the method how to upload a video from on the Google Drive. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe us.